Imagine earning anywhere from a little extra cash to even thousands of dollars per month, all by answering questions. Sound interesting, right? Stick around and I will guide you through 5 incredible options that everyone can try today. Option number 1. Let's talk about paid surveys. They are one of the quickest ways to start earning online. Sign up on reputable platforms and you can get paid to share your opinions. While this won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn some pocket money on your schedule. Pro tip: join multiple platforms to increase your opportunities. Option number 2. Study Pool. This platform is for the knowledge warriors out there. You can answer academic questions for students and get paid per solution. The top earners on Study Pool make up to $7,500 monthly. But remember, the more effort you put in, the more you can earn. Option number 3. Just Answer. It's perfect for those with professional expertise. Whether you are a lawyer, a doctor, or an IT expert, this platform lets you monetize your knowledge. It might take a few days to get verified, but once you are in, the potential earnings are fantastic. Option number 4. For those who love sharing opinions online, focus groups are a fantastic option. They are small group discussions where you provide feedback on products or services. Not only do they pay well, but there are also a lot of fun. Option number 5. Help Owl. While you won't earn cash here, you can accumulate points for answering support questions and redeem them for prizes. It's a creative way to turn your knowledge into rewards.